Good morning and welcome to lesson 2 of digital electronics. In the last class, you have learnt the importance of binary number system in any digital device, and in this class, you will be refreshing the weights of binary numbers. You will be learning how to convert a decimal number into binary and how to convert a binary number into decimal number system. You must know the positional notation and weights of any number system. First, consider the decimal number system and how to write the weights of a decimal number system. For example, take the number 2945, which can be written as 2000 plus 900 plus 40 plus 5, that is 2000s plus 900s plus 4 tens plus 5 units. In powers of 10, this becomes 2 into 10 power 3 plus 9 into 10 power 2 plus 4 into 10 power 1 plus 5 into 10 power 0. The decimal weights are units, tens, hundreds and thousands. The same way, the binary weights of any binary number can be written in terms of 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2 and so on. For example, consider the binary number 111. It can be written as 100 plus 10 plus 1. Or you can rewrite this as 1 into 2 power 2 plus 1 into 2 power 1 plus 1 into 2 power 0. The binary weights are 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. Or we can write the binary weights as 1, 2, 4, 8 and so on. Consider a mixed number 1011.0101. The weights of this binary number can be written as 2 power minus 4, 2 power minus 3, 2 power minus 2, 2 power minus 1, and to the left of the binary point you can write the weights as 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2 and 2 power 3. Now we can convert the decimal in the integer form or decimal in fraction form or decimal number in the mixed form to binary number. First, consider the decimal to binary of an integer. In order to do this, consider the example of decimal number 17, which has to be converted into a binary number. For this, we use double table method. We divide 17 by 2, the quotient is 8 and the remainder is 1. Again divide 8 by 2, the quotient is 4, the remainder is 0. Again divide 4 by 2, the quotient is 2, remainder is 0. Again divide 2 by 2, the quotient is 1 and the remainder is 0. You have to write the number from the bottom. So 17 can be written as 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. This is how a decimal number in the integer form has to be converted into a binary number. Next, consider decimal number in the fractional form. In order to convert this decimal number into binary, instead of dividing by 2, you have to multiply by 2. So 0.12, it is the number considered for example 0.12 is multiplied by 2 to give 0.24. 0 is retained, 0.24 is taken to the other side. It is multiplied by 2, we get 0.48. 0 is retained, 0.48 is taken to the other side, multiply it by 2, you get 0.96. Again 0 is retained, 0.96 is multiplied by 2, we get 1.92. 1 is retained, 0.92 is taken to the other side, multiply it by 2, we get 1.94. Again 1 is retained, 0.94 is taken into other side and multiplied by 2 to get 1.84. 1 is retained, 0.84 is multiplied by 2 to get 1.68. 1 is retained and 0.68 is taken to the other side, multiplied by 2 to get 1.36, and this continues. If the number obtained is 0, the product is ended. If it is not 0, then you have to go on multiply by 2, or you can put in the result ... So 0.12 is equal to 0.00011111 ... Next we consider the mixed number 17.12. For 17 we have seen that the binary equivalent is 1.0001, and for 0.12 the binary equivalent is 0.000111 ... So you have to just combine these two. So 17.12 is written as 10001.0001111 ... Next we have to consider the conversion of binary to decimal. We can convert binary integers or binary fractions or binary mixed numbers into decimal number system. For converting binary to decimal, you must know the weights of each bit in the binary number. For example, if you consider the binary number as 101.101, the weight of this 1 is 2 power minus 3. The weight of this 0 is 2 power minus 2. The weight of this 1 is 2 power minus 1. And to the left of the binary point, the weight is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. Now when you want to convert this binary number, for example 101.01 into decimal number, you have to multiply each bit by its weight and then you have to add. So 1 into the weight of this bit is 2 power minus 2. So 1 into 2 power minus 2, which is 1 into 1 by 2 power plus 2, or 1 by 4, which is nothing but 0.25. Then this 0 into the weight of this bit is 2 power minus 1, which is equal to 0. Then 1 into the weight of this bit is 2 power 0, which is 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. Next 0 into the weight of this bit is 2 power 1, which is equal to 0 into 2, which is 0. Then this 1 into the weight of this bit is 2 power 2, which is equal to 1 into 4, which is nothing but 4. So when you add all these values, you will be getting 5.2 25. So 101.01 is nothing but 5.25. So in order to convert binary number into decimal number, you have to multiply each bit by its weight and add all those values. This is second example, 1010.1011. I have written the weights below each bit. You have to multiply each bit by its weight. So 1 into 2 power minus 4. Then 1 into 2 power minus 3. 0 into 2 power minus 2. Then 1 into 2 power minus 1. Next, to the left of the decimal binary point, 0 into 2 power 0. Then 1 into 2 power 1. Then 0 into 2 power 2. Then 1 into 2 power 3. You have to multiply all these things, write the values here and add all these values. You will be getting 10.6875. So 1010.1011 to the base 2 is equal to 10.6875 to the base 10. So in order to test yourself whether you are clear about conversion of binary into decimal and decimal into binary, you try these problems. Thank you.